Ever found yourself frustrated when your text-to-speech botches up acronyms or technical terms? What if I told you there's a way to make it pronounce words exactly how you want them? Today, I'm going to show you how to take control of your text-to-speech pronunciation with Reedvox's powerful Say feature. You know what's cool about Reedvox? It's the only text-to-speech browser extension that gives you complete control over how words are pronounced. No more cringing at mispronounced acronyms or technical terms. Let me show you how it works. First, let's open the Reedvox extension and head to Settings. You'll see a tab called Say on the left panel. This is where the magic happens. Think of it as your personal pronunciation dictionary. You tell Reedvox exactly how to say specific words. The Say feature is super simple to use. It works like this. When Reedvox sees a word, it will say it exactly how you tell it to. Each rule has just two parts: what to look for and how to say it. That's it. Let's look at a real example. See this first rule? When Reedvox sees ASAP, it'll say, as soon as possible. Want to hear it in action? Just click play in the Try It Out panel.
I'll finish this project as soon as possible.
You can even type your own sample sentence or let Reedvox generate a random one for you to test it out.
I'll finish this report as soon as possible and then grab some coffee.
Here's where it gets interesting. Let's add our own rules. Say you're tired of hearing TTS pronounced as one word. Just add a new rule. When it sees TTS, make it say text-to-speech. Let's try it out.
My new app uses text-to-speech to read out my messages while I'm driving.
Or take IBM. Instead of rushing through it, we can make it say IBM letter by letter.
Big tech companies like IBM continue to innovate in fascinating ways.
See the difference? But wait, there's more. What if you want to skip certain parts of the text? Like those annoying reference numbers 1? Easy. Just add a rule with an empty say field, and Reedvox will skip right over them.
I scored a perfect in my math test today.
The best part? You can experiment freely. Don't worry about grammar or punctuation. Just make it sound right to you. And if you ever mess up the default rules, no worries. Just hit that reset button at the bottom of the table. Oh, and one quick tip. If you see that Say is locked, just create a free Reedvox account, and you'll unlock this awesome feature right away. That's it. Now you're ready to make your text-to-speech sound exactly how you want it. Happy listening. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on making your text-to-speech experience even better.